Eyeball Music Rock. This is 16-watt portable Bluetooth speaker and I'm going to tell you that should you purchase this speaker or not. So hi friends, welcome to my channel and without wasting your time, let's start. Okay, first I'm going to talk about the price. You can purchase this speaker from Amazon as well as from Flipkart. On Amazon, its price is rupees 1999, but during festivals or during sale, you can get it even for rupees 999. On Flipkart, its price is rupees 2649 or rupees 2499 depending on the color. If you are going to purchase black color, then you can get it for rupees 2499. If you want to purchase green color, then you can get it for rupees 2649. So this was the price. Now let's talk about the specifications of the speaker. Total output is of 16 watts. There are two speakers of 8 watts. So total output 16 watts. Frequency response is 65 Hz till 20 kilohertz. Also, there is Bluetooth 4.2. Okay, so this is Eyeball Music Rock. Talking about the buttons, there is power on and off button, volume down button. Also, there is play, pause, and call button. By pressing this button, you can play or pause, or you can attend or disconnect the call. There is volume up button. There is one more button for voice assistant, and also by pressing this button for long time, for nearly 3 to 4 seconds, you can disconnect the existing Bluetooth connection. This way about the buttons. Now talking about the ports, this is USB port, also there is aux port, and there is micro USB port for charging. So let's talk about the pros and cons of Eyeball Music Rock. But before that, in this video there is no sound test of the speaker. If you want to hear that how it sounds, then you have to follow me on Instagram, because I am going to post its sound test video on my Instagram. My Instagram ID is saumil_AT. So follow me on Instagram. Now let's start with the pros and cons. First, I'm going to talk about pros. First thing that I liked about this speaker is build quality. Build quality is really good considering the price. Overall, I have not felt any issue regarding the build quality. Next thing that I liked about this speaker is sound clarity. You can clearly differentiate between the vocals and the instruments, but there is one thing that I have not liked. I am going to mention that in the cons. Next thing that I liked about this speaker is TWS feature. You can connect one more Eyeball Music Rock for stereo experience. This is really good. Also, there is USB and aux support. You can connect your pen drive and play some songs. Also, if Bluetooth is not working properly in your smartphone or on your laptop, you can connect it using the aux cable. Aux cable is not provided in the box, but yeah, you can connect it using the aux. These were some pros. Now talking about the cons or disadvantages, first thing that I did not like about this speaker is Bluetooth 4.2 support. Nowadays speaker come with Bluetooth 5.0, 5.1, and in this speaker there is Bluetooth 4.2, which is bit old now. That's why I have mentioned it in the cons. Okay, now let's talk about the next disadvantage. Next disadvantage is sound is not really accurate. I will explain it. So when you will play vocal songs, then it sounds good. But when you will play EDM or hip hop songs, then sometimes you will feel that treble is really high. Basically talking about the sound signature of the speaker, in this speaker bass is low, mids are good, treble is high. So if you like high treble, then you can purchase this speaker. I will say that bass is sufficient. It is not really low. if you will increase the volume till 80 to 85%, then you will get good amount of bass. But considering 16 watt of output, bass is low. So these were some pros and cons of Eyeball Musirock. Now talking about the battery backup, company has mentioned that it has 16 hours of battery backup, but I will say that there is no 16 hours of backup. You can get up to 10 or 11 hours of backup if you will use this speaker at low volume. But if you will use it at high volume, then you will get less backup, less than 10 hours. Talking about the rating, for sound quality, I will rate it 7 out of 10. For bass, I will rate it 5 out of 10. And for value for money, I will rate it 8 out of 10. So these were my ratings. Now let's come to conclusion that if you should buy this speaker or not. I will say that you can consider this speaker if you like high treble, less bass, good mids, then consider this speaker. Also, if you're getting this speaker for 999 rupees, then it's really good. Then you should definitely consider this speaker. But if you're getting this speaker for 2000 rupees, then also I will say you can consider this speaker. But more than 2000 rupees, I will not suggest this speaker. If your budget is more than 2000 rupees, then you should consider Portronics Breeze Plus, which has 20 watts of output, and in terms of sound quality and bass, it is much better than this Eyeball Musirock. That's it. I hope you guys have liked this video. Please hit the like button and comment and tell me that how was this video. And for sound test, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is Soumil_AAT. See you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye.